So hello everybody, this is Ayush Aglapte and now we have selected a state, Jammu Kashmir, and now this part, our section, I am going to give an introduction about our state, and all. So we have selected Jammu Kashmir, the Union Territory of India until October 1331. It is located in the northern subcontinent and the central plains of the Jammu Kashmir. So let's take a look for Jammu Kashmir. It is the largest region in Kashmir which has been subjected with a dispute between Pakistan and China since a part have been taken by them. This is the Jammu Kashmir which is located in the southern continent at the center of the plain around Jammu Kashmir in the southern of China and east of Pakistan. And let's go back and see the states of Jammu Kashmir, the cities of Jammu Kashmir. Oh, we have gone too back. So let's coming nearer to Jammu Kashmir state. Jammu Kashmir has a geographical area of 1.1387 square kilometers. It has lies between the latitude and the longitude of north and east. So this was the pick of this geographical pick of Jammu Kashmir. Now let's take some of the district of total Jammu Kashmir, and there are total 10 districts in Jammu, 10 in Kashmir, and 2 in Ladakh. Now Ladakh has been an area new formed due to the Article 370, in which it divided up beautiful Jammu and Kashmir into Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, and it was a sensational news. So let's go for the geographical area in the square kilometers. As I said, it is 1.1387 kilometers square kilometers area. Now you can see the red shaded part of near the Jammu Kashmir. It is the state of Jammu Kashmir, which is currently not completely in India. And the second is the boundary claimed by the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. And third, the dotted line states that the administrative boundary of Jammu Kashmir. So let's see the population of the Jammu Kashmir. Not in this sequence, we are going to see in a simpler way. So this is the population of Jammu Kashmir. We can see that here maximum population stays in Ladakh, and normally the less population stays in Jammu and Kashmir. Its total population is around 1.01 CR. And our population is of Jammu and Kashmir. So let's see some of the forests of Jammu Kashmir. Not in specific way. Let's go to the region of upper side, and it's less upper. Okay. So let's see what's the forest cover area of Jammu and Kashmir. So the forests of the state are spread over the 3 boundary borders of geoclimate zone covering Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh, the region of the state. The vegetation and the climate can broadly be categorized into sub-territorial and tropical and alpinic zones with the wider diversity of flora and fauna. More than 50% of the plant species use British reported guidelines grown in Jammu and Kashmir. Literacy indicates the 572 plant species belonging to 109 different families of their medicinal value. This was the end. And now my friend Bhavik will give some of the
Yuzmag is a hill station in the western part of the valley of Kashmir. The Muslim community believes it to be the place where Jesus once lived. The landscape here is more beautiful than anything you will ever see. The top sightseeing here is Nilang Lake and Sage Shafin. Gulmarg has everything going for it: snow-dresser mountains, greenery lakes, and forest and different types of flowers. The most of the Gulmarg is best for skiing and destination in Asia, has the highest green golf course in the world as well as the highest cable car projects. Sonmarg means a meadow of gold, is one of the best tourist places in Jammu and Kashmir for sightseeing and adventures. Sightseeing adventures places are Gorsar Lake and Vaishambhar Lake. And the best things to do in Sonmarg is trekking, camping and trout fishing. Srinagar is one of the most populated places in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir was one of the located and one of the historical sites is located on Srinagar. Srinagar has lakes, led Srinagar to be called the land of gardens and lakes. Amongst the other things that will surprise you, one is the floating vegetable market on Dal Lake. The best things to do in Srinagar is visit the floating vegetable market and take a Shinkara ride on the Dal Lake. Vaishnavi Devi. Vaishnavi Devi. Those who are spiritually inclined should not miss out on visiting Vaishnavi Devi, a major Hindu pilgrimage destination in India. The temple stands on the Tirugutta hills in Jammu. Top things to do in Vaishnavi Devi is visit to Mata Vaishnavi Devi temple and visit Bhairav temple. Patni Top. The hill station of Patni Top is included among the populated tourist places in Jammu and Kashmir for its meadows and gorgeous fields and lovely views of the valley's peaks. If you are looking for winter getaways, then Patni Top is the best to get winter getaways. The sightseeing attraction is Food Park and Biloki Pavli. Popular things to do is enjoy a picnic at a Food Park, Doda. Doda is district located in the eastern part of Jammu and has plenty of opportunities for sightseeing and even adventure. Those who are spiritually inclined should certainly visit Doda since there are plenty of temples and mosques. Best things to do in Doda is snow skiing, mountain biking, and paragliding, and trekking and camping.
So today our group talked about Jammu and Kashmir's rich culture and heritage and how it has helped India through its tourism. We also learned some important information about Jammu and Kashmir such as its location, its size, its food, its culture, etc. I highly recommend my fellow classmates to visit there once and enjoy your stay there.